Zoho ERP Business Honest Review Watch Before Using. Zoho ERP Business Honest Review Watch Before Using. Running a business without a centralized system is like driving without a dashboard, and most people don't realize how much information they are missing until problems appear. Zoho ERP is a cloud-based enterprise resource planning system that helps businesses manage accounting, inventory, sales, HR, projects, and customer relationships in one connected platform. Most people get this wrong, but here's why Zoho ERP stands out. Instead of juggling multiple disconnected tools, Zoho creates one shared data flow that keeps departments aligned. For example, when a sale is completed, inventory updates automatically, accounting records the transaction, and customer profiles update instantly. This reduces human error and saves hours of manual work every week. The surprising truth is that many small and mid-sized businesses grow faster after switching to ERP because they gain visibility into cash flow, expenses, and team productivity. Zoho ERP is ideal for growing companies, e-commerce brands, and service providers that want full control of operations without enterprise-level complexity. If your business is expanding and processes feel chaotic, Zoho ERP may be the control center you need. Subscribe to the channel for more business software reviews.